Now please listen to this carefully. Let's do a brief revision of the introduction part. Let's see. Listen to this carefully, beta. All of you listen to this carefully. So yesterday we started what? Equation of a straight line. Now there we discussed about inclination, and I told you inclination is denoted by theta. Then we discussed about the slope, and slope is denoted by what? M, and its value is tan theta, tan of the inclination. Third, we discussed about the equation of line, and I told you what is the meaning when I say equation of a line. What does it mean? Now the first form, or you may call it first formula, the first formula for the equation of a line is the first formula, beta. What was it? We call it slope. What form? In form. And slope intercept form is y is equals to mx plus c. Now you will say, sir, when do we use this formula? We use this formula whenever the slope of the line is given and its y-intercept is given. Is this clear? Now, the second formula of the slope is, second form of the equation of a line is, or the second formula is slope point form. Now, slope point form is, it's exactly same beta, like it is y equals to mx plus c. So this equation is y minus y1 equals to mx minus x1. Almost similar to this. Sequence is same. This side is y, even here it is y. M, and x and x. Now we'll say, sir, when do we use this one? When do we use this second form? We use this second form, beta, whenever slope of the line is given. Slope is given, all right? And point on the line is given. And this point will be x1, y1. All right? So this means this line passes through the point x1, y1. So it's very simple. What the form that will be used in a particular question depends on what is given in that particular question. If 2 points, if slope is given and a point is given, slope of the line is given, and the point on the line is given, we use slope point form. If slope and y-intercept of the line is given, then we call it what? Slope intercept form, and we use this formula. And I told you yesterday, what is the meaning of y-intercept? Y-intercept means, beta, the point, this distance where the line intersects with the y-axis. Is this clear? This point will be 0, c. Now the last form is, copy quickly, last form is the third form, or the third formula for finding the equation of a straight line is 2-point form. 2-point form. Now as the name says, what will be given in this? 2 points on the line would be given. First point would be x1, y1, and we will take the second point as x2, y2. So what will be the equation of the line? Y minus y1 is equals to mx minus x1. You will say, sir, if I write y minus y1 is equals to mx minus x1, then this will be exactly same like this. Yes, but this is not slope point form, it is 2-point form. So we have just used the first point, and in place of m we will substitute the value of m, and that is y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1. Copy quickly. Copy quickly, beta. So these are the three forms or three formulas for finding the equation of a straight line. So if you have learned these three equations, this chapter is over, beta. And how to apply, it's very simple. Application part is very simple. It depends on what is given in that particular question. If slope and y-intercept both are given, then we use what? Slope intercept form. If what is given? Slope and point is given, then we use slope point form. And if 2 points are given, beta, then we use what? 2 point form. Okay. Now I am repeating again. We all know what is inclination. Inclination is denoted by theta. This is the angle made by the line, made between the line and the positive direction of x-axis in the anti-clockwise direction. Then slope is denoted by m, and its formula is tan theta. There are two more formulas for slope. I'm just giving you. Please wait. Now, the first form for finding the equation of a straight line is y equals to mx plus c, where m is the slope, c is the y-intercept. All right. Then second form is y minus y1 is equals to mx minus x1. This is used when slope means m is given and a point is given, beta, that is x1 minus y1. The next third form is 2 point form, when 2 points are given. 2 points on the equation on the line are given, x minus x1, y minus y1. So this is y2 minus y1 and x2 minus x1. Now please write down a note here. Write down a note here. Slope. Now, for first formula of slope is tan theta. There is one more formula for slope, and that is y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1. Now you will ask me, sir, when do we use this formula? This formula is used, beta, when 2 points are given. 2 points where? 2 points on the line are given. x1, y1, and the second point is x2, y2. When 2 points are given on the line, then we use this formula. Is this clear to all of you? The third formula will be used in the next part of this chapter, beta, and that is, but I'm just giving you the formula, minus coefficient of x upon coefficient of y. So beta, if you have learned these formulas now, this chapter is almost over. Only one condition is left. Condition of parallel, if two lines are parallel, and condition when two lines are perpendicular. So these are the formulas, and then write down the second point. Second point, beta. Second point is, write down, if a point lies on the line, then it must satisfy the equation of line. If a point lies on the line, then it must satisfy the equation of line. If a point lies on the line, then it must satisfy the equation of line. Next, if a point the equation of line, then it must lie on the line. मतलब अगर कोई भी बेटा पॉइंट लाइन पे लाई करता है तो वो उसकी इक्वेशन को सेटिस्फाई करेगा. देन ऑपोजिट इज ऑल्सो राइट. ऑपोजिट मीन्स अगर कोई पॉइंट लाइन की इक्वेशन को सेटिस्फाई करता है तो वो उस पर लाई करेगा. अगर लाई करेगा तो सेटिस्फाई करता है, सेटिस्फाई करना चाहिए, और अगर सेटिस्फाई करेगा तो लाई करना चाहिए. ऑलराइट. Is this clear to all of you? Now we have a question here, and question says, listen, question number 8. Question says, the equation of a line PQ. We have the equation of a line PQ, and the equation is 3y minus 3x plus 7 equals to 0. Now question says, write down the slope of the line. Now for slope, you may convert it into slope intercept form, or you may use the formula beta. I just gave you one formula. Slope is minus coefficient of x upon coefficient of y. I'll show you both the methods. Let's see beta. So if we'll use the previous method for this question to find the slope, then for slope we will convert it into slope intercept form. We'll shift 3x that side. It will become 3x minus 7. 3 will go in the denominator. So this is 3x minus 7 whole upon 3. You will separate it. It will be 3x upon 3 minus 7 upon 3. All right. Then 3 and 3 will get cut. Y is equals to x minus 7 by 3. Now we know, then we compare it with, comparing with y equals to mx plus c. Now when we'll do the comparison beta, with x we have m here, and what do we have with x here? What number? Slope has come. First answer has come beta. But if you'll use the formula, I gave you one formula today, and that formula is, listen to this carefully, slope is equals to minus coefficient of x, yes or no? Clear? Getting beta? Upon coefficient of y. So minus coefficient means what number is coming with x? Check. Minus 3 is coming with x. Upon what is coming with y? 3 is coming with y. 3 will get cut, minus minus 1. So you'll say, sir, this method is easy. Yes. Yes or no? As compared to this one, slope, this formula. Yes, I'll say it's very easy. But this formula is used beta when we have to find both. When we have to find, sorry, it should be plus 1. When we have to find both beta, slope and y-intercept also. So we use this one when we have to find both slope and y-intercept, and we use this when we have to find only slope. Now the second part of this question says, second part, let's see here. Calculate the length of P, calculate the angle that PQ makes with the positive direction of the x-axis. So for angle, we'll just use formula of M, that is tan theta equals to 1. We will write tan theta is tan 45, tan with comparison we'll remove them. When we'll compare, theta is equals to 45 degrees. All right. So beta, remember, we use this formula only and only if beta, this formula is used only and only if the equation of the line is written in the standard form. Standard form means x और y एक साथ लिखे होने चाहिए. ऐसा नहीं होना चाहिए कि y इस साइड है इक्वल टू k और x दूसरी साइड है. अगर ऐसा होगा तो आप ये वाला फॉर्मूला यूज नहीं कर सकते हैं. Okay, so before using this formula, write x and y, both the terms of x and y together. All right. Now please listen to this carefully. Question number 11. Okay. Question number 11 is beta. Question says it is given that a comma 2a lies on the line lies on the line y upon 2 is equals to 3x minus 6. Now it lies on the line, satisfies the equation of the line. Means this point will satisfy the equation of the line. What does it mean when I say
X
satisfy
equals
the
to
equation of the line? Yes. It means x should come in place of x coordinate and y can be put in place of the y coordinate can be put in place of y. X coordinate can be put in place of x. So this will become 3a minus 6. And then y can, in place of y, you'll put 2a. So 2a upon 2. 2 and 2 will get cut. So this will be a equals to 3a minus 6. Bring it this side. A minus 3a is minus 6. Minus 2a is minus 6. Minus and minus will get cut. A is equals to 3. A is equals to 3. Alright, beta. Is this clear to you? Okay. Okay, now let's see one more question. And this question is, here this question is, let's see beta. The graph of the equation y equals to mx plus c. Now what does it mean when I say graph? Graph of the equation का मतलब है बेटा कि जब हम उस लाइन की इक्वेशन का ग्राफ बनाएंगे, ग्राफ बनाएंगे मतलब जब हम उसको एक्स एक्सिस वाई एक्सिस कार्टेशियन प्लेन में जब हम उसको प्लॉट करेंगे. तो क्वेश्चन में लिखा है दिस लाइन पासेस थ्रू 2 पॉइंट्स, सो आई एम मेकिंग 2 कॉलम्स. y equals to mx plus c passes through the point 1 comma 4, and y equals to mx plus c also passes through the point what? Through the second point is minus 2 comma minus 5. अब बेटा देखिए दोनों का मतलब सेम है. अगर मैं बोलता हूं लाइन पासेस थ्रू द पॉइंट, बात वही है कि भाई लाइन एक पॉइंट से पास हो रही है, या फिर हम बोल सकते हैं पॉइंट लाइज ऑन द लाइन, तभी वही मतलब है. तो दोनों केस में हम सेम कंडीशन यूज करते हैं, चाहे लाइन पॉइंट से पास हो चाहे पॉइंट लाइन पे लाई करता हो. इन बोथ द केसेस दिस पॉइंट विल सैटिस्फाई द इक्वेशन. So what does it mean when I say satisfy the equation? X in place of x, y coordinate in place of y. So it will be 4 equals to m into 1 plus c. So equation will become m plus c equals to 4. This is your first equation. I am going to use elimination method beta here. You may use substitution method. Okay. Here when I'll substitute, it will be minus 5 is equals to minus 2m plus c. So minus 2m plus c, I'm writing minus 5 this side. Right, beta. This is the second equation. Alright, now how will we solve it? We will just subtract first equation minus second. So first equation is m plus c equals to 4. Then minus 2m plus c equals to minus 5. Plus minus plus cancelled. So this is 3m equals to 9. 5 plus 4. Now we will take the sign of 5 as plus. So 5 plus 4, 9. M is equals to 3. Okay. M is equals to 3 beta. Now M is 3. Alright. How will you find C? You can put this in any one equation. I am using the first equation. First equation implies M plus C is equals to 4. 3 plus C is equals to 4. So C is 4 minus 3. C is 1. C is 1. That's it. Answer has come. Clear? So this is how we use the concept of beta when this is how we use the concept when a point lies on the line or a line passes through a point. Okay?